Hey everybody, Cher here. Welcome to my channel. So today I have a really exciting video that I want to share with you because I'm finally getting to do a fairy garden that has been I put it on the back burner because I just didn't have all the right pieces and everything to do it, but I finally do now, and I'm really excited that I get to show you guys right from start to finish, which I know many of you have been asking me to do a video like that. So I'm going to do that today. This particular fairy garden actually was inspired by a YouTube channel, and it's called Garden Answer. And the gal that runs that channel, her name is Laura. She is incredible. I just love her. I watch every single video that she posts, and I have been watching her for a couple of years now. And she's the total reason why I got hooked and addicted to fairy gardening. She's the one that inspired me right from the get-go. When I saw a couple of her gardens, I was like, wow, yeah, this is what I want to get into. So this particular spring garden, she actually made a couple years ago, I believe. I'm going to link her channel in the description box. Go over and check her out. She's just incredible. And I've just been kind of collecting pieces that I knew that I was going to need to do this particular garden, and I can't wait to just get it all put together. So I'm just going to let the camera roll, and at the very end I'm going to explain to you what I did. So hope you guys enjoy. So here it is, my completed spring-inspired fairy garden. Oh my gosh, I think this has got to be my favorite one to date. Like I said before, this is something that I've been kind of thinking about and planning for probably the last couple of years. So I'm so happy to have finally gotten the chance to make this. And if any of you guys have questions about some of the plants that I used for this project, I will link the names of the plants that I used in the description box. You'll notice that I've got this little running fountain. It sounds so awesome. I just love the sound of running water, and I was very careful when I was putting the soil in around it not to get dirt into the little reservoir. All that dirt and stuff will get caught in the pump and it could burn it out. So you need to be really careful when you're using one of these little pumps. And this one in particular I believe is a 10-gallon pump. It's very small, and that's like overkill for a size of a container like this one. Yeah, so I'll just have to make sure that I keep the reservoir full. You want to make sure that you're using something deep enough that you can make sure that the pump itself is actually covered with water, like quite a few inches actually, especially if you're having this outside. It's going to evaporate, so you want to make sure you keep a close eye on that. Yes, I just think this turned out so cute. I got to use one of my little trailers here, and this actually has a battery in it, so I can turn that on at night and it'll light up. This little fire pit that I made, I have a tutorial for that on my on my site as well, so if you want to check that out you can. This actually lights up as well. It's battery powered. And then you notice I've got the little outhouse in the back. And yeah, I just love how this turned out. That little house I actually got at Michael's here not too long ago, and that was the starting off point for this whole project. Was I wanted to find a little house that would work in here. It would look spring. These flowers that I've got, like the daffodils here, they're not going to last forever, so once they die down I can just pull them out and I can pop some other kind of annual in there. And these of course are going to bloom all summer, and they're going to trail out and be really pretty. And that little begonia in the back, I'm hoping that will keep blooming and last a nice long time for me. And then the piece de la resistance of this whole thing I'm so excited about is this little mini tree. This is actually Alberta Spruce. And it's not going to get very big, it's just a miniature variety, and I'm so excited to have finally gotten one of these little guys. They were only about $10, and this I'm hoping will last for a good couple of years in this container. So I can use this, it should survive the winter, and I'm already thinking ahead for Christmas possibilities. So yeah, I can't wait to see what that would look like with some little mini white lights on there. I think that would be really pretty. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it's inspired you guys to do some more fairy gardening. And until next time, I'll catch you again. Bye for now.